Hi, how are you today? I'm Cindy Guerin from Leamington GM. I'm going to be talking to you today about detailing your car. Here at Leamington GM, we know how important it is to keep your vehicle in the best shape. Therefore, we offer auto detailing for vehicles. We offer 4 packages: bronze, silver, gold, and ceramic coating. Each level offers more perks than the previous, and we'll go through each one. The bronze package begins at $89 for cars. The basic level is perfect if you maintain your vehicle. It also is good if you want to get your car cleaned after a road trip or before going out of town. It includes vacuuming, wiping down the interior, cleaning the seats and surrounding areas, as well as the windows. On the outside, your vehicle will have a hand wash and dry to make it the best looking car on the road. We will also clean the rims and remove the bugs. The silver package includes all those, plus an emphasis on the interior and cargo area. It includes brushing and vacuuming the interior with shampoo and steam. This is followed by detailing the interior, a full wipe down, cleaning, condition the leather, and do the windows and mirrors. This package begins at $269. The gold package, this is the package you need if you need a good heavy cleaning of your vehicle. We would recommend this one at the beginning of spring. This is an all-in-one package and deep cleans both the interior and the exterior. This includes everything from the silver, the bronze packages, but also several features on the outside. It also has the rubber and plastic trim cleaned, the engine bay cleaned. There is paint protection and shine. This protects your vehicle and fills in the small scratches. Lastly, ceramic coating. Treat your vehicle with a semi-permanent layer of protection that bonds with the paint at molecular level. Protect the body of your car against scratches, chemicals, terrain, and elements. To schedule your appointment, visit us at Leamington GM, Leamington, Ontario. Thank you very much.